This thing is 4125 square feet, and this is a floor plan we have not seen, and I am ecstatic to show you guys. I love how it has the 4 bedrooms all downstairs. So it's that single story living with, hey, I want to party sometimes, and that is all in the upstairs. So really, really cool. When you come in, you can see the whole house, right? To the very back of it. And then right off to your right, Patrice, this is where you are going to have your first bedroom and ensuite.
Very good. I like having the bedrooms kind of away from the primary, which is always a good thing. High ceilings in here again, which I love.
Now this one's got a walk-in closet, and then it has a bathtub in the ensuite.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
You know what else we need to notice is these floors are darker than we've seen lately. So this is kind of a nice change.
Then you come over here, you got your mud area. Off of your 2-car garage. You have 3 on this property.
But that's the
But
2.
it's split, but that's the two car. I like how it has all the mud area where you can hang those backpacks and all that good stuff. And then here is another secondary bedroom.
Same size, it looks like.
Same size. It does have its own ensuite, and then the closet is in here. The closet is really good size.
Oh, it's a very good sized closet. And
Yeah.
then let me check out the ensuite here. Very good.
Yeah, no bathtub in this one, but that step down shower, which is really nice.
Kind of like its own little wing back here. I like that.
Yeah. And then right across is your office.
Oh, they put a beam in the office.
A beam!
Look
We
at
have
that.
a beam, guys.
See, this is why they're calling our name on this house.
I know, this thing is fantastic.
It really is.
You got windows right here. You got the 2 big windows, the picture windows, and then you've got the 2 windows on top. You know, like I said, I like the doors, the all glass doors. This thing is a good workspace. It's got plenty of wall space so you can put those whiteboards or whatever you want to do.
No whiteboards.
Okay,
That's ugly.
or whatever. I just have whiteboards to kind of keep me on track with all the closings, but.
The stairs are right here, and then you've got a little walkway with a
Powder bath.
powder bath. Cute powder bath.
And then look at this laundry.
Oh man.
You've got a spot for a fridge. You got your washer dryer. You've got a sink to soak all those, you know, gritty pants, you know, from Little League. And then you've got your single car garage right here.
I see, and I really like when builders trim out the garages. I think that looks so nice. It's a great extra touch. And complete the walls and everything.
Exactly.
Very nice. Okay.
But this is a big space.
It's a really big space. This house is huge, really.
Yeah.
And then over here, we have another bedroom.
Now the bedrooms are separate. So I like that.
I like that too. And all of them have really high ceilings. And then behind me is the closet. And then you have the bathroom that goes to this room. It's got its own bathtub and everything too.
We don't even have the light on, and you have plenty of light.
Don't have the light on, but man, that's nice.
Yeah, so each bedroom has its own ensuite, which is really nice. I couldn't even imagine, but look at this.
Yeah, this is the
Look at
showstopper.
this. Guys, we are in Prosper ISD, location. This thing is right in the heart of everything now.
I love that dining area.
Yeah, you've got this dining area, which is kind of nice. You have, you know, your sliders that you can slide all this open, put down your screens right here, maybe have another little fireplace or outdoor kitchen.
Bring
It's
the entertaining
perfect.
in and out. I love it.
Perfect.
Yeah, fantastic.
And then look at
This kitchen. I love the color of those cabinets.
This is like a 6-butt island.
This is really, really pretty.
And look at, they come with fridges.
That's super nice.
That's insane. It's all soft close. Everything's just top notch.
It's just really, really elegant looking. I like it a lot.
I like the two-tone.
I do too.
I love the color of this wood on this cabinetry.
And not to mention, they added handles, which you know I love. That's kind of one of those things that I just think is super nice to have right as you move in.
It's a huge kitchen.
It really is a huge kitchen. Double ovens again, and then here's that little area with a sink.
Yeah, where you can hide like your coffee.
Yeah, you know, I just thought of when you said
To
that.
fill up.
Fill up your coffee, or, you know, clean your coffee cups and stuff right there
yeah.
and put them back next to the coffee
Yeah, you've
maker.
got
I like that.
Costco approved snack closet. And again, double ovens, and I like how they split them off like this. Much different than what we're kind of used to. This is a really cool design.
Very pretty.
And better yet, they are offering $50,000 to go towards closing costs or rate buy down. I mean, they're offering a 4.99% interest rate.
Window coverings, refrigerator. I mean, they're throwing a lot
You're
in.
getting a lot of bang for your buck right here. You've got this fireplace centered right in the room. This is where you hang your TV. I'd probably put some shelves right here on either side of this, kind of those floating shelves.
Absolutely.
But this is a good space.
I would also add a mantle.
Okay, yeah, of course. Now, let's go out here and check out the backyard and patio. With the dining area right here and the sliders, I would get those screens down and just make this an extension of that dining space. If you entertain a lot, that would be perfect. You've got a gas line right there, so you could put even a fireplace if you wanted to right there, extend it and put your outdoor kitchen. It's just easy just to take it from the grill to the table. And then this is an 86-foot wide lot. You've got a good 30 feet deep. So
This is a big house, and you get this much backyard, which is amazing.
yeah, and look at around, it's all private.
Yeah, it's very
No
nice.
one can see in. And the houses are built, so there's no guessing game. There's no way you're gonna see in. It's absolutely
You know what,
outstanding.
Andy? You know what's nice is we're not hearing construction right now, which I think
Yeah.
is very nice.
It's quiet. So let's go check out that primary, and then you guys gotta see upstairs. You love to entertain, and you know how I feel about noise pollution. This is the best for that.
And they've kind of tucked this primary, you know, around a little corner and hall and everything, so it's not just right off the family. I like that a lot.
Not only that, but every room is on its own section of the house, so every room is private. This has got plenty of space. It's huge volume with the vaulted ceilings. You got the 3 big windows, and then you come into this ensuite, and look at this shower.
I know.
Oh my heart.
Isn't this fantastic?
This thing is huge. It's got what I call the beachfront entry. I don't know what everybody else calls it, but I don't know what else to call it. Where you walk into it, it's got the rain head above. This thing is,
It's so nice.
and I like how the niche is kind of hidden from the
Yeah.
room, but look at this thing.
It's beautiful. You know what else I think is cool? Well, let me show the sinks really quick because I don't know if I did. But this flooring, actually, this tile is really nice. But look, you've got like a walk-in linen closet. That's kind
You
of
call
a
it a
fun
linen
thing.
closet. I call that a secondary snack closet for those midnight snacks.
No.
Oh, okay.
No, no, no.
All right. Well, anyway, I'm already vetoed. But look at this closet.
This is good size.
Yeah, plenty of space. You've got your, stuff for all your sweaters and whatnot.
Now, I haven't seen the upstairs yet, so I'm pretty excited about this.
Everything's solid core. I mean,
Yes.
this has got me really energized. I really am enjoying this floor plan. Can't wait to show you upstairs, Patrice.
Okay, so you come up and come on through. Holy moly.
Yeah, huge game room, and look at, there's no noise pollution.
Yeah, there really isn't.
This thing is huge, and you could put right here a nice bar,
Is that a closet or a bathroom?
This is a bathroom.
Is it really?
Yes, so you don't have to go.
Oh, I love it. I love that they did that. I like the tile, that's pretty fun.
Wait till you see this media room. You step up, and then look at how wide this top level is.
Oh yeah, that's really nice. You could fit some really wide chairs right there.
Yep, and then you could put some other chairs down here, kick up the feet, watch your...
This is really a nice media room.
Yes, and then right here you can store all your equipment right here.
This house is pretty darn amazing.
I love it.
I do too, I really do.
Let us know in the comments below what you guys are thinking. Now this is $1,079,000. And again, they're offering that $50,000. So when you factor that in, you know,
Window coverings and a fridge, you don't have to buy those.
4,200 square feet, whatever it is. I mean, I love how you have all of the living area downstairs and then the party area is upstairs. So
yeah.
really, really cool design. I love it. Let us know in the comments below what you guys think. We are almost done. We are wrapping up this 90-day challenge.
It's day 84.
It's day 84.
Yeah.
6 more of these bad boys, and then we're gonna make some changes. So drop us a comment below. Let us know what you guys are looking for or what you want. We have some ideas that we're gonna do for the channel, but anyway, we're always gonna give you guys some honest feedback on what's going on in North Dallas. We are the go-to real estate team right here in all of North Texas. Definitely hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Give us a thumbs up, that helps the channel a lot. Give us that hype button. I don't know what that is, but people are talking about it. If you have any real estate needs in 2026, we'd be absolutely honored to help you and be the realtor of choice. To do so, just hit that dream home form below. And until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.
All right, if you've made it this far, you're definitely our kind of people. So let's make this easy. If you're planning a move to North Texas, click that dream home form below and tell us what you're looking for. We tour these homes every single day, and we'd love to help you get it right.